Hey, what's up, Sami here. So last time I did a really simple unboxing and first look of the Mi Pad 5 Pro to 12.4 inch. In this video, I will go a little bit in depth. Special thanks to Eva for providing the content, because here I cannot do a very, detailed, decent review here. Let's get started. Alright, starting with the differences between the Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro 12.4 and Pad 5 Pro. First, of course, is the screen size. The 12.4 version has a 12.4 inch screen, whereas the 5 Pro sports an 11 inch screen. The second is the camera difference. The 12.4 version offers a 20 megapixel front and a 50 megapixel rear camera, where the 5 Pro only has an 8 megapixel selfie and a 13 megapixel main. I will put some photo samples from the 5 Pro 12.4. Please stick around to the end of the video for that. Both pads support 67 watts fast charging, but the 12.4 has a staggering 10,000 mAh battery compared to the 8,600 mAh on the 5 Pro. For me, what I really like is upgrade the unibody aluminum alloy finish. It feels much more premium, comfortable, and high-end than the plastic one on the Pad 5 Pro. Also, the 12.4 has upgraded the USB-C port to USB 3.2 Gen 1, which boosts the speed up to 5 gigs per second. That's quite good. But at the same time, the 12.4 version has downgraded some parts, like it doesn't support fingerprint recognition now. Also, it only offers the quad speaker compared to the octa speaker on the 5 Pro. I guess Xiaomi is trying to persuade you to use it more for work and less for porn watching? Just joking. Let's check out more about the Mi Pad 5 Pro 12.4. There are two accessories for the Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro 12.4. One is the stylus. It's magnetic, as you'd expect. There are two buttons on the stylus. Press and hold the upper button to quickly access writing, whilst press and hold the lower button to crop a picture. You can choose different shapes, by the way. Moving to the keyboard, it offers two angles. One the 110 degree, which is great to watch some videos, and the other 122 degrees is perfect for typing. Speaking of typing, it's not quite the experience you get from the full-sized laptop, and I would imagine long-term typing would get your fingers cramped. I do hope someday Xiaomi can offer a keyboard that can prop up the pad like that Audio Cube tablet I've reviewed in the past, which is more awesome. Let me show you some of the shortcuts from the keyboard. If you double press the control button, you can switch between the two latest used apps. Press and hold the Fn and 1 or 2 button, you can adjust the brightness of the screen. Others like Ctrl plus M is for notification center, Ctrl plus C is for calculator, Ctrl plus B is for notebook, etc. Here's the list of these shortcuts. Now let me show you what's special about the Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro 12.4. That is the multi-window operation. Like you swipe from the bottom left corner, you can adjust the size or minimize it to let it attach to the edge. If your app is the social media one, then if someone sends you a message, the message will pop up like a bubble. Isn't that cool? Next is the multi-device connection. This is not something new though. We've already seen this on MIUI 13 review video. You connect it with your phone. When you copy something on the pad, it will automatically transfer to your phone, and then you can choose to paste it. One thing is, if the material you copied is the phone number, then the phone will recognize that, and you can even directly dial that number on your phone. Also, it has this mirror function. You can easily relay or project your apps from the pad to your phone to use. But not every app though, after our tests. We hope Xiaomi can support more when the official version is released. Oh, another thing I have to show you is you can use your phone's camera to take photos while you're editing on the pad. But to be honest, do you use this feature very often? Let me know down in the comments. The last feature is the horizontal mode. What that means is, for some apps, Xiaomi has optimized their layout to let you have a better viewing experience instead of just stretching them like an idiot. Like this app, it shows you 2 columns just like you view on the desktop. But again, not every app supports, so definitely needs some work. Alright, that's all about the Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro 12.4. For me, it definitely has upgraded a lot. The premium design, battery life, more smart features, cameras, etc. Speaking of cameras, here I put some photos and video samples taken by my friend Sami. Enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sami, I will see you in the next one.
Testing the self camera. As you can see a lot of details on my face. I will walk a little so we can check the stabilization. Seems good, right? Oh, I just bumped. Now we are making the video with the rear camera. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 max. Let's return, walk a little so we can check the stabilization. Ooh. Then let's move around so we can check how the lights react, and I think it's okay.